Welcome to ERITRIUM Product Overview. This is the login page. ERITRIUM is a multi-user application, so each user needs his own user and password to log into the system. First we choose the language. ERITRIUM is actually available in English, Spanish, French, and Portuguese. Soon it will be translated to other languages. We log into the system. This is the main screen of ERITRIUM. You can see in the left side the options tree that display all the business objects that the user can access. Each time a node is clicked, ERITRIUM displays in the right side of the screen a list of the objects selected. Clicking with the mouse in any line will open the desired object window. In this case, a sales order. This little icon means that this customer is in the risk customers list, probably has too many outstanding invoices. At the top of the window we have all the possible actions we can do depending on the rights that the user has. It is possible to restrict the access to every object of the system. Let us review the objects that the current user can access. Products. The system opens a new tab in the right side displaying the products in the system. As you can see, it keeps the previous tabs opened before, so you can choose them whenever it's needed. All the listings can be ordered clicking in any column on the top. We can restrict the results of the list using the filtering option located on the top of the listing. Let us find all products starting with beef. We enter the word beef ending with an asterisk and we hit filter button. As we can see, only products starting with beef are displayed. Let us filter the results a little bit more. Clicking on any line, the products window is opened. All business object windows in the system has the same structure. The upper part of each window display particular information of the selected object, in this case basic product information. Categorization with up to 5 different families. More detailed information about the product, dimensions, and much more. In the lower part we can see different business objects related to this product. We can see all the suppliers that provide us this product. If we click on any of them, the system will show us the specific conditions under this supplier provides us the product. We can also see how many purchase orders have placed to him. Clicking on any line, the system will open the selected purchase order. As we mentioned before, the opened window has the same structure. The higher part displays information about the characteristics of the purchase order. The lower part display related information, in this case, the list of the products ordered, or the invoice sent by the supplier. In case we have the warehouse management module active, we will be able to see the state of the reception order. We can access to the invoice or invoices sent by the supplier. Clicking on any line, the system will open the invoices window. Once again we can see specific information from the invoice on the upper part of the window and related information on the lower part. We can also see the state of the payment of the invoice. Let us keep on with the demo. In this case the user has access to the warehouse management. You can see the different warehouses managed by the system and a lot of information about internal operations on them. For example, we can see the stock existing in all the warehouses, how many units we have of each product on each warehouse, or even the internal bin location. ERITRIUM manages purchase orders to suppliers, including a lot of functions, like pricing conditions from suppliers, delivery note management, supports the life cycle of purchase orders, and manages the invoices received from suppliers and their payments. ERITRIUM allows you to manage quotations sent to customers. Once quotations are accepted by customers, easily are converted to sales orders. Let's take a look to a sales order stored in the system. Once again, we can find at the higher part of the window specific information about the sales, and in the lower part related objects, as all the products sold with quantities, costs, discounts, weights and much more. If you have the warehouse module active, you get information about the state of the picking and packing order states, how many units to pick and from which bin. If your business manages cross-docking orders, then you can handle them with ERITRIUM. Invoices to customers are one of ERITRIUM's top functions. Users have full control of the state of any invoice during the different phases of its life cycle. Finally, we'll take a look to the contact management module. ERITRIUM provides a full view, also called 360-degree view, of all the business objects related to the contact. One contact can be a company or a person, it can be a customer, a manufacturer, a supplier, or everything together. This is an example of a contact window. As you can see, in the upper part of the window, a lot of information about the contact is shown: name, alias, contact data, segmentation information. Other information, like payment preferences, credit limit, preferred language for the communications and much more. It is possible to manage several addresses per each contact. Each address can be cataloged as main address, billing address, shipping address or much more. At the lower part of the window you can see all the business object related to this contact. Relationships with other contacts. Supplied products because it sometimes acts as a supplier. All the quotations set to him because it is also a customer. The same for the sales orders generated for it. As like in any other window, if you click on any detail, ERITRIUM will open the related object, in this case on of its sales order. And more interesting business objects like all the invoices sent. If we take a look to any of them, we will see the actual state of it, including the payment state. ERITRIUM has many more functions, like budgets, marketing campaigns, lead management, sales opportunity management, sales action scheduler, trouble ticketing, including service level agreements, service contract management, project management, Android solution of barcode readers for people working in the warehouse, managing stocks, doing pickings, packings, etc. A full document management solution to keep all your internal documents up to date and stop using paper. And much more. Please check up for more video tutorials at www.eritrium.com. Thanks for watching.